Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some nail mail that I got from Magic Gel. And Magic Gel was so gracious enough to send me a nail guard kit to review and give you guys my first impressions on this kit. So let's just jump right into this. Okay, so in this box of goodies that I got is a lot of fun stuff here. So this is the kit of the nail guard, and I'll take this out one by one and show you. They also gave me, 3 files to try out. I love these zebra files, so I'm excited to try this out. What else do we have? We have... This looks like it's called Silver Lava, so I think, ooh, this is a really nice silver glitter. I guess it would be like a gel polish. It's a soak off. This whole thing is soak off. And they gave me some nail forms. Now, I've heard so many amazing positive comments on these nail forms, so I'm quite excited to try them on myself. I'm quite picky, so I'm kind of curious to see how these work. I'm sure they'll be great, but I'm gonna review all of this stuff for you as we go. Okay, so we have here, we have the silicone thin base. We have the Tactless Hyper Shine. We have an Iceberg White, I guess to do some easy French manicures. And then we have 3 colors of the nail guard. So this is Neutral Rose, Soft Nude, and Dark Rose. Cute packaging, very, very cute packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna do these 3 fingers, because I've got 3 colors, and let's just see how this works. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my natural nail, and I'm just using my favorite I&M's ONL primer. We're gonna take the silicone thin base and put a thin layer on. Okay, and I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds in my LED UV lamp, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's try out these forms. Okay, they're nice and sticky, so that's good. Wow, these are almost like in between a really smooth paper and a foil all in one. Like, it's not one or the other. I find that it's very easy to get a nice curve in these. And I chose not to cut the free edge off of my own nail because I am trying to grow them out. So, not happening. Okay, I have to say that these are fitting nice and snug. Very comfortable. Quite impressed. Quite impressed. Okay, so let's start with the Dark Rose. And I'm just gonna extend my nail a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to cure that for about 60 seconds because it is quite pigmented. I like these jars. They have a nice wide opening, and I'm just going to build my nail like I would normally with a bottle builder. This self level is really nice, not too much where you're chasing the gel. And you're not going to be able to see this, but I'm just going to turn my hand upside down so the gravity pulls the gel to create a nice apex. And I'm liking that, just going to fix it up a little. So the gel is quite easy to manipulate around. without becoming too stringy or have too many dips and valleys. Okay, and it's a little low right in my free edge, so I'm just going to build that up a little. Now I'm going a little bit longer. This is great for just a gel overlay on top of natural nails, and I think I'll do my ring finger that way, just so you guys can see. But I love long nails, so it's going to be quite hard to get me to do a short nail, even in a video. Wow, this self level is so nice. Okay, so I took the form off. It was quite sticky. It held really, really nice. I think these forms will be great for those clients that are a little bit more clammy, like my daughter. So I'm just gonna wipe the tacky layer off. My application wasn't that great. One, I'm doing this on camera and I'm just a little nervous. So I will file this one up. Okay, so I've trimmed down my nails and shaped them how I wanted to. And I'm just gonna give you an overview of the files that I used. So I'm just gonna zoom out here. The 150-150 file, oh my gosh, you guys. This is an amazing file. It is, I think this would be great for hard gel. I found it to be a little too coarse for the soak off gel that I used on my hands. I like the fact that these bend, and that for me, because I reuse my own files on myself, I can use this again. And I would say that this is more on the, I'm gonna say medium to coarse. So if you had to, this would probably be Magic Gel's coarse file. And then the 180-180 worked amazing on the soak off. And this is like a medium grit file. So I find that I would probably get more use out of the 180-180. And then the 150-150 for getting right in there and shaping my nails the way I want them. Now the other one that I didn't use was the natural nail shaper, so the 180-240. I didn't shape my nails with this, so I'm gonna leave this in the package for right now. What else do I love about these files? I like that they are individually wrapped. I know a lot of nail techs do prefer that. I have to say, you guys, I think I found another favorite file. And I picked a nice fall gray. It's a bit of a purple gray undertone. So I'm going to use this along with the silver lava. I don't feel like having a French manicure, so this is the iceberg white. Why don't I just do this, show you guys this. So it's a nice, it's not a super thin white. It's a nice opaque white. And if you're not shaky like I am, you probably could do a really nice French. Oh, that's actually kind of nice, but I don't want a French. So I think you could get away with doing 1 or 2 coats with this iceberg white, probably 1. And I am going to use the Tackless Hyper Shine, and then I will update you on how the top coat works. Okay, so I've cleansed all my nails. The silver lava I'm going to use on my accent finger. Look at this. Beautiful. Actually, I think I'm going to use it on 2 fingers. Okay, so this is 2 coats, and I really liked how this applied. If you guys keep up with my videos, you know when I talk about glitter gels, especially in a bottle, I really prefer to have the glitter and the gel, that ratio be equal. Not more gel than glitter and not more glitter than gel. And this was a perfect, in my opinion. I mean, that's how I like my glitters in a bottle. So I'm quite impressed with the silver lava from Magic Gel. So now let's put the Tackless Hyper Shine on. So the viscosity is quite nice. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. So it's got that nice self-leveling factor. And I'm just actually putting on a very thin layer, believe it or not, I really am. Okay, so I'm gonna cure this for 1 minute. My lamp tends to need to cure a little bit longer than most lamps, so I'm gonna go about 60 to 90 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, and here's the finished product. I quite enjoyed using it. I am quite familiar with Bottled Builder due to the fact that Vision Gel is known for their Bottled Builder, but it was really nice to try a different brand out to see how it compared. I quite enjoyed the 3 colors that Magic Gel sent to me. The Silver Lava is amazing, like amazing. I don't really like short nails, but I'm quite digging these. Just a gel overlay with a little bit of an extension, and I quite like this. The forms I absolutely love. I think that is something I'm going to bring into my studio to use on my clients. These files I also really love, and something I'm going to consider bringing in. The Tactless Hypershine is quite nice. It's a little bit of a thicker viscosity compared to the Vision Gel's Super Shine No Wipe top coat, and I'm not sure if it's as hard as the Vision Gel's is. However, that doesn't make it less of a product or more of a product. It's just something I've noticed. And I did want to compare one of the Bottled Builders from Vision Gel, and Vision Gel is a little bit thicker. So it's actually it's quite a bit thicker. So if you prefer a slower self-leveling soak off gel overlay, Vision Gel is great. If you prefer something that's a little bit faster self-leveling, yeah, definitely thinner, then Magic Gel is great for that. I think doing a set of nails on myself under a camera is quite difficult, but I think doing this on a client where you get to use both hands, I think this is quite fast. And if you're someone that is a veteran nail tech, I think you'd quite enjoy the nail guard system from Magic Gel. I actually quite like the faster self-leveling factor with Magic Gel. I think I just like that smoothness you could get, and I could build it up a little bit and kind of, you know, how I would move my hand upside down, and you could do that. You can also do that with Vision Gel. That's kind of something cool to know. I didn't realize that Magic Gel had a soak-off system. It was very nice to use. I did enjoy just playing around with the Iceberg White. So I don't know if you guys have been sitting on the fence not quite knowing if you should try this Magic Gel nail guard system or not. Why not? Give it a try. The company is an amazing company. So if you have any questions, go to magicgel.ca. I know if I've ever had a question, I've sent off an email or a private message on Facebook, and I've gotten a response back quite quickly. So I'm actually quite impressed with this. So if you already have this, tell me what you think and what you've done. Comment down below. I would like to know. Well done, Magic Gel, and again, thank you so much for sending this to me to review. I quite enjoyed reviewing this product for you. It's nice to not really compare, but it's nice to get a feel for different brands that are out there. With the Bottled Builder, or some of them call it Builder in a Bottle, the Bottled Builder is getting more and more popular, and it's something I know nail techs are gravitating towards due to the fact that it's quite easy to do a quick gel overlay and a color change with your clients. And you know, if you watched my last video where my son says, come on, hurry up, time is money, well, he's right, time is money. So I think with any kind of system that you use with a Bottled Builder, it is faster. I'm going to also say that there is one big difference between Magic Gel and Vision Gel, is the fact that I used the silicone thin base first. With Vision Gel, you don't need to use a base or a primer at all. You just dehydrate the nails with acetone, and then you go right in with your Bottled Builder. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.